Welcome to the Angular JS Lab program tutorials. I am Kanika Lakshmi DG, Assistant Professor, Department of Information Science and Engineering, Rajiv Institute of Technology, Hassan. The fourth program to calculate factorial and also the square of a number. So for that we are writing the program with the HTML. So for the name given for this application is ng app and also the math app. And title is given is Angular JS Math Operations. It will display on the title bar. Next, source is taken from the whichever the modules or library functions for this needed for this program is taken from this HTTPS link. Next, we are giving the body tag. We are writing the controller. This is an ng controller. For that also we are giving the math controller name. So next, it is going to display the math operation in an header. Next, enter the name. So enter the number. You are going to enter the number for this particular program. So it is combined with the ng model. It is going to give all the numbers. It is going to display on the screen. So whichever the number we want, that number we are going to select. For the same number, we have to calculate factorial and onto a square. It is going to display this ng click is going to display the buttons. These are the buttons. When we click on the factorial to calculate the factorial or calculate the square, it is going to display the result. To show the result, we are using ng show for the factorial and also for the next ng show for the square of a number. Next, we are going to write the script. In that script, we are writing the application for this program. So that is math controller is the name given to the application. So for that we are going to write the function. First one is the calculate the factorial of a function. If the number is greater than or equal to 0, we can calculate the factorial of a for that number. If it is a negative number, we cannot calculate the factorial. So these two lines are used to, if it is a positive, it is going to calculate the number. If it is a negative, it is going to display cannot calculate the factorial for a negative number. Next is to calculate square of a number. For that we are writing the function, that is scope of input number into scope of input number. It is going to display the square of that particular number. Next one is the function for the factorial. If n is equal to 0 or n is equal to 1, it is going to return the 1. Else it is going to calculate the factorial for that. So display the result, we are going to click on the right side of the screen. So we can get open with the live server. If you click on that, output. So see here, you can see it is going to display the numbers we can select. It is also displaying negative number, also positive number. So for the positive number, I have selected 4. It is going to calculate the factorial. When you click on the calculate the square, it is going to display the square of that number. Suppose we want another input, so I am giving negative number, that is -3. So when I click on the button calculate factorial, it is showing cannot calculate for a negative number. Why? Because this is a -3. So we can calculate the square of this number. It is going to show the result, square is 3.